Okay. Hello friends. Am I audible or visible? Okay, sir. Am I audible and visible? Okay. We are going to solve question paper GUJCET 2021. Right, friends? Then, okay. Our first question is, which compound give Cannizzaro reaction from following? Right? Okay, Cannizzaro reaction. Now tell me friends, what is the basic condition for Cannizzaro reaction? What is the basic condition for Cannizzaro reaction? For Cannizzaro reaction, number of alpha hydrogen must be 0. If number of alpha hydrogen is 0, then Cannizzaro reaction will takes place, right? So our first option is CHCl2 CHO. CHCl2 CHO. C double bond O H, right? CHCl2. Number of alpha hydrogen in this case is 1, because my friends here this carbonyl carbon is sp2 hybridized and this carbon is attached with this sp2 carbon, right? So this carbon is alpha carbon and hybridization of this carbon is sp3. And what is the definition of alpha carbon? Alpha carbon must be attached with sp2 carbon, right? And number of alpha hydrogen is 1, right? So in first case Cannizzaro reaction will not perform. Second, CCl3CHO, C double bond O H CCl3. Okay, here you can see this is the alpha carbon, but number of alpha hydrogen is 0, friends. So number of alpha hydrogens are 0. Then second option is correct, right? Number of alpha hydrogen is 0 in second case. And if alpha hydrogen 0, then Cannizzaro reaction will take place so easy. Got it? Okay. Move to next question. Okay. Which compound having maximum strength, acidic strength of following? Maximum acidic strength. Yes, question from organic chemistry. Question from organic chemistry. According to question, we have to find out maximum acidic strength. Okay, first 4-nitrobenzoic acid. Okay, 4-nitrobenzoic acid. This one is benzoic acid and NO2 is on 4th position. Second one is benzoic acid. Third one is 2-methoxybenzoic acid. 2-methoxybenzoic acid. This one is 2-methoxybenzoic acid and fourth option is benzoic acid and 4-methoxy. Okay, OCH3. Now you know very well that OCH3 is electron donating group. OCH3 is electron donating group. Here also OCH3 is electron donating group, and you know that electron donating group decrease the acidic strength. Electron donating group decrease the acidic strength. Right? Electron donating group decrease the acidic strength, and most important, NO2 is electron withdrawing group. NO2 is electron withdrawing group, and you know that electron withdrawing group increase acidic strength. Increase acidic strength. Right? Okay, so your correct option is first 4-nitrobenzoic acid. Got it, dear friends? Okay. Move to next question. Secondary amine is obtained by reduction of which compound? Secondary amine is obtained by reduction of which compound? Okay. Question from chapter number 13. Question from chapter number 13. Amines. Right? Okay, your first compound is amine. R C double bond O NH2. Okay. Reduction of amide. By reduction of amide, you will get RNH2, matlab amine. Right? Second is isonitride. Isonitride. N triple bond C. This is isonitride. By reduction of isonitride, you will get R NH CH3, right? And this one is your secondary amine, right? તો આપણને આન્સર તો સેકન્ડ જે મળી ગયો છે, બટ હરેકનું રિડક્શન આપણે જોશું. થર્ડ, નાઇટ્રો, રિડક્શન ઓફ નાઇટ્રો, RNO2. Reduction of nitro, you will again get primary amine. And next one is nitride, RC triple bond. And if you reduce this nitride, then you will get RCH2 NH2. This one is primary amine, this one is primary amine, this one is secondary amine, and this one is primary amine, right? So your correct answer is secondary amine, matlab isonitride. So your correct option is 2, isonitride. Are you getting or not? Right? Son ma આવે છે? Good. Move to next question. Hinsberg reagent. Okay, again question from chapter 13. Second question from chapter 13, right? Hinsberg reagent do not react with which amine? Okay. If you have okay, Hinsberg reagent, પહેલા તો તમને સ્ટ્રક્ચર છે ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. Hinsberg reagent, right? Added sulfuride chloride. રિએક્શન કરવાની છે. ફર્સ્ટ આપણે કરીએ પ્રાઇમરી એમાઇન, R N R R, right? HCl is removed from this and you will get this product, sulfur double bond O N R R. This is your secondary amine, right? Next, reaction with okay, this one is primary amine, right? Your product will S double bond O N H R, right? So Hinsberg reagent will react with secondary amine as well as primary amine, but it does not react with tertiary amine because tertiary amine have not any hydrogen, right? And other hydrogen છે એ present ન હોય તો HCl છે અહીંયાથી HCl છે remove થતું હતું, remove નહીં થાય, simple, right? Also in this case HCl remove થતું હતું. So in case of tertiary amine, HCl release nahi thai. So your correct option is tertiary amine, right? Do not react according to question. Do not react. So our answer is third, only tertiary, right? Okay. Move to next question. Which product is obtained by nitration of aniline? Wow, great question. Nitration of aniline. And one more thing, third question from chapter number 13. Third question from chapter number 13, right? So suppose તમે 13 chapter organic નું જે prepare કર્યું હોય તો 3 questions અહીંયાથી છે, right? તો અમાઇન્સ ને જે તમારે અંડર એસ્ટિમેટ નહીં કરવાનું. એન્ડ સેકન્ડ થિંગ કે અમાઇન્સ માં મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટોપિક છે એ છે બેઝિસિટી ઓફ અમાઇન. બેઝિસિટી ઓફ અમાઇન. Basicity of amine. Basicity of amine is very very important for NEET and JEE and GUJCET. Okay. So our question: which product is obtained by nitration of aniline? Okay, nitration of aniline. This is your aniline. Okay, for nitration we know that HNO3 and H2SO4 is required, right? So, and you know very well that NH2 group is strong electron donating group. NH2 is strong electron donating group, right? Then you will get ortho and para product. You will get ortho and para product because electron donating group are ortho para directing group. So here you will get by nitration NO2 and again you will get NO2 plus one more product is formed here, that is meta product. Why? શું રીઝન છે મેટા પ્રોડક્ટ ફોર્મ થઈ છે? What is reason behind that? Okay, here you can see clearly this is acidic medium, right? And acidic medium provide us H plus. Acidic medium provide us H plus, and aniline is basic in nature. So acidic media and aniline are react and you will get NH3 positive, right? Okay, and this one is NH3 positive is electron withdrawing group because nitrogen have positive charge, and you know that if charge is increases then stability is decreases, right? So here NH3 try to withdraw electron from this benzene ring, right? And all electron withdrawing group are meta directing. All electron withdrawing group are meta directing, right? So you will get ortho product, para product as well as meta product. So your correct answer is all of above. So your correct answer is 4. Are you getting or not? Okay. Move to next question. Which reaction prove that all the 6 carbon atoms are linked in straight chain in glucose? Okay, good. First of all, the structure of glucose is looking like this: OH, H, OH, H, and here CH2OH. Correct, friends? Okay, if now we are going to do one by one each and every reaction, right? First reaction is reaction with HCl. Right, now you know that this carbon is partial positive and this oxygen is partial negative, right? So here you will get this carbon OH, H and Cl. Okay, so first option is incorrect. Second option, in case of second option, C double bond N OH and this, right? Reaction with NH2OH. So again, second option is also wrong. Okay, prove શું કરવાનું છે? સ્ટ્રેટ ચેન. આ તો સિમ્પલ રિએક્શન થાય છે, સ્ટ્રેટ ચેન છે એવું કઈ પ્રૂવ નથી થતું. Third, reaction with Br2, reaction with Br2, then you will get C double bonds, right? And this one is gluconic acid, gluconic acid, right? All of these three reactions and also fourth reaction is from your NCRT, right? So you should learn NCRT, and our fourth reaction is heat with HI. If you react glucose with HI, then here may you know HI is a strong reducing reagent. Strong reducing reagent, right? So HI reduces whole glucose and it is converted into CH3, CH2, 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 CH2 and CH3, right? This is your N-hexane. This is your N-hexane, right? And formation of N-hexane is evidence that glucose is in linear form. So your correct option is fourth. Your correct option is fourth. Done? Okay, so this question from chapter number 14, biomolecules. Biomolecules. Right? Okay. Move to next question. Okay. Which alpha amino acid is not optical isomer? Okay, which alpha amino acid not optical isomer? समझो question from optical isomerism. Okay, so for optical isomerism, chiral center must be present, right? But friends, this question is from your NCRT. In case of glycine, what is the structure of amino acid? COOH, NH2, R and H. Okay. Here in case of R, in case of glycine, R is equals to H. So you will get NH2, COOH, H and H. You can see here, this one is not a chiral center. Chiral center nothing. And if chiral center is absent, then your compound is optically inactive. Right? If chiral center is absent, then your compound is optically inactive. Right? Lysine, alanine and leucine. Which one is optically inactive? Glycine. So your correct option is third. Glycine is your correct option. Okay. So in short, તમને જે simple NCRT જે છે એની લાઇન્સ છે એ ખબર હોવી જોઈએ. That's all. Okay. Right, friends? Move to next question. In DNA, which base is not present of following? Okay. Lower standard no question છે. You know that in case of DNA, base, nitrogen base like A, G, C, T, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. These four bases are present, right? But uracil is absent in case DNA. So your correct option is 2, uracil. Then friends, okay. Move to next question. Okay, and one more thing. Also, this question is belong from chapter number 14, biomolecules. Right? Okay, so finally this one is second question from biomolecules. Okay, move to next. Okay, the edge length of unit cell in terms of radius r. sphere constituting FCC, okay, FCC, BCC, and simple cubic unit cell are respectively your question about edge length. Your question about edge length A. Okay, so very simple question, and your answer is 2 root 2r, 4r by root 3 and 2r. Right? This one is also from simple NCERT. Right? Okay. Move to next question. Okay. Atoms of element X is formed HCP lattice. HCP lattice. And those of the element Y occupy 75% of tetrahedral woods. Okay. And what is the formula of the compound formed by element X and Y? Second question from solid state. Second question from solid state. See, simple trick for solving this type of question. First of all, write X and Y. Right? Okay. Let the effective atoms is equal effective atoms Z is equals to small, right? Number of effective atoms is equals to small n. So total number of tetrahedral volts, total number of tetrahedral volts, 2 into n, 2 into n, right? Okay. And according to your question, element X form HCP, right? X શું ફોર્મ કરે છે HCP. So value of X is n and value of Y. Y occupies 75% of tetrahedral volt. Now tell me friends, how many number of tetrahedral volts you have? 2n. 2n. And according to question, how much space is occupied by element 1? 75%. So 75% of tetrahedral volt, right? So 75 divided by 100, then you will get 25 threes and 25 fours. So you will get 3 by 4. So n 2n into 3 by 4. 2 twos are 4, and you will get 3 by 2. N is cut 1. 3 by 2, right? Multiply both sides into 2. Into 2 into 2. So value of X finally become 2 and value of Y finally become 3, right? So your formula is X2 Y3. So your formula is X2 Y3. Your correct option is second. Okay, are you getting or not? Okay. Okay, next question. 3 gram ethanoic acid and 50 gram benzene having dash molality. Okay. Question second, solutions, right? Okay, chapter second, solution and from physical chemistry. બસ તમને મોલાલિટી નો ફોર્મ્યુલા છે એ ખબર હોય. That's it. Mass of solute in gram unit multiply by 1000 upon molar mass into mass of solvent in gram. Okay. 3 gram ethanoic acid, मतलब this is your solute, and 50 gram benzene, मतलब this is your solvent. This is your solvent, right? And you have to find out molality. Mass of solute is 3 into 1000 upon 50 gram of benzoic acid and ethanoic acid. Molecular mass of ethanoic acid 12 into 2, 24 plus 32 plus 4, you will get 60. You will get 60, and in numerator you will get 3000, and denominator always also you get 3000. So your answer should be 1. So your correct option is yes, third. 1 molar, 1 mol per kg, 1 mol per kg. Got it, friends? Okay, move to next question. Using the data given below, find out the strongest reducing agent. Strongest reducing agent. So simple relation. Reducing nature is inversely proportional to standard reduction potential. Reducing nature is inversely proportional to standard reduction potential. Okay. According to your question, we ask strongest reducing agent. Strongest reducing agent. Right? So for strongest reducing agent, SRP must be minimum. SRP must be minimum. Then see 1, 2, 3, these 4 cases, and tell me which one has lowest SRP. Okay. Answer is very simple. Chromium. Answer is very simple, chromium, right? Okay, so your correct option is second, chromium. Then question from electrochemistry, right? તમને simple formula છે યાદ હોવું જોઈએ. Reducing nature is inversely proportional to standard reduction potential. Done? Okay, move to next question. Okay, which is the symbolic representation of following cell reaction? Okay, magnesium plus Cl2 gas gives Mg2 plus 2Cl minus. Now you can see, students, here magnesium become oxidized and chlorine become reduced. So if you have salt bridge here, left side is anode and right side is cathode. Left side is anode and right side is cathode, right? So your cell representation look like magnesium solid oblique Mg2 plus aqueous, or concentration is 1 molar, right? Second, cathode Cl minus aqueous, concentration is 1 molar, oblique Cl2 gas 1 bar, right? This is your correct cell representation, and your answer should be D. Yes, your answer should be D. This is your answer. Very simple, right? Okay, move to next question. For a reaction, okay, question from chemical kinetics. For a reaction, K is equals to 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 liter mole inverse second inverse. What is order of reaction? What is order of reaction? Right? Okay. So question is very simple. If we have second order reaction, then rate is equals to K into concentration raised to 2. If we have second order reaction. Okay, now make the subject K, then you will get rate upon concentration R raised to 2 and unit of rate mole liter inverse second inverse upon unit of R mole square liter minus 2 and you will get finally mole minus 1 liter plus 1 and second inverse. Hygiene match. Then simple answer, your correct option is third, second order. Clear? Okay. Move to next question. Okay. For first order reaction, the value of slope graph of log R naught by R versus T. Okay. Now, famous equation. K into T 2.303 log R naught by R. Well known equation, right? Okay, now compare this equation is equals to y is equals to mx plus c. This is your y axis. Now, we can do one more thing. K by 2.303 into T is equals to log R naught by R. Can I write or not? Can I write this equation? Okay. Now compare this equation with y is equals to mx plus c. This is your y axis. This is your m. This is your x axis. Can I write plus 0? And y is equals to mx plus c. Straight line equation. Okay. So graph of this equation look like this. Time t log R naught by R and you will get straight line starts through origin because intercept C is 0 and if value of intercept is 0 then graph is starting from origin and you can see here slope of this graph is k by 2.303 and your answer k by 2.303 is 4. Done and dusted, right? So chemical kinetics no easy question. Move to next. A rate constant for a first order reaction is 60 second inverse. Okay, this one is 60 second inverse. 60 second inverse. Okay, how much second will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant of is 1 upon 16th value. 1 upon 16th value. Okay, according to question, order of reaction is 1. Order of reaction is 1. So you can write K is equals to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. Okay, now see my friends, K is given 60 second inverse. Okay, now according to question, initial concentration of reactant to its 1 upon 16th. So you should put RT. This is your RT, right? RT is equals to R naught by 16. RT is equals to R naught by 16. Now by using this equation, K is equals to 60, 2.303, we have to calculate time, right? We have to calculate time. Okay. Log R naught by R naught by 16. R naught will cancel and your answer T is equals to 2.303 upon 60 log 16, right? And log 16 matlab, 1 minute please. Log 16 matlab 2 raised to 4, right? Log 16 matlab 2 raised to 4. So time will 2.303 upon 16 and value of log 2 is 0.3010 into 4 and your final answer become 4.6 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is your correct answer. Right? Okay. Move to next question. Okay. Which is fluid adsorption isotherm? Okay, question from surface chemistry chapter number 5, right? Surface chemistry. And equation for fluid adsorption isotherm is x by m proportional to p raised to 1 upon n, right? If we write x by m is equals to k into p raised to 1 upon n, then k is constant. Okay, now take both side log. Log x by m is equals to log k plus, you know that 1 upon n into log b. Can I write p raised to 1 upon n is equals to 1 upon n into log p? Okay, now compare this equation is equals to y is equals to mx plus c, right? On y-axis, log x by m is present. Okay, so our graph is log x by m versus log p. Our graph must be log x by m versus log p. So your fourth answer and third will be wrong, because you can see here this is the value of p, but we need the value of log p. Okay, now you can see here the value of intercept is log k and that is non-zero. So we can say that graph is starting from origin, not starting from origin, because c does not equals to 0. So first graph is wrong, then our final answer is this is your log k, right? And log x by m versus log p, this is your correct answer. Second. Done? Move to next question. Okay. Which method? Okay, second question from surface chemistry. Second question from surface chemistry, chapter number 5. Which method is used to prepare colloids and reaction is given? Arsenic oxide plus H2S gives H2S3 plus 3H2. Right? You know that H2S3. May you know that H2S3 is negatively charged salt. Okay, so for preparation you can see here double decomposition reaction will take place, right? For preparation of H2S3 double decomposition reaction will take place. You can see here simple question from NCERT, right? Okay, move to next question. Okay, done. Which of the following ions will have maximum oculating power? Wow. Third question from chapter 5. 3 questions from chapter number 13 and 3 questions from surface chemistry chapter number 5. Right? So exam is totally unpredictable. Okay. Now, which of the following ions will have maximum populating power for coagulation of H2H3 salt? Okay, according to previous question, H2H3 is negatively charged salt because on the surface of H2H3, H2 minus is adsorbed. H2 minus is adsorbed, so charge on this colloid is negatively charged. And for flocculation of negatively charged colloid, we required a highly positive charge. We required highly positive charge. So see in these four options, Ba2 plus, Mg2 plus, Al3 plus and Na plus. Answer is simple yaar, Al3 plus. This is your correct answer. Done. Move to next question. Which would undergo SN1 reaction faster from following? Okay. SN1 reaction. Okay. Rate of SN1 reaction is equation rate of SN1. Rate of SN1 reaction is directly proportional to stability of carbocation. Stability of carbocation. Okay. Our first option is 2-bromo 2-methylpropane. Okay, 2-bromo 2-methylpropane. 2-bromo 2-methylpropane. So here we are and methyl. 2-bromo 2-methylpropane. Right? If Br is leave from here, then you will get this. And this is your favorite tertiary carbocation. And according to your ratification, tertiary, secondary and primary, this is your stability of carbocation. Okay, and according to reaction rate of SN1 is directly proportional to stability of carbocation, and your answer is tertiary. Tertiary carbocation and 2-bromo 2-methyl. Okay, simple. A is your answer. Done. Move to next question. Okay, from the following, I pick name of compound. Okay, too much easy question again. Okay, how many substituents you have? This one is your first substituent, and this one is your second substituent. Right? So totally you have 3 substituents. But see here, all this carbon, you have total 2 substituents. Right? So according to rule, you must give priority to more number of substituents. Okay? So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? So IUPAC name of these compounds. This is your methoxy. This is your ethoxy. This is your ethoxy. And these two are methyl. Now, according to alphabetical order, ethoxy and methoxy, which compound have which substituent get priority? Yes, simple. Ethoxy get priority, and the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-ethoxy. 2-ethoxy. 1,1-dimethyl. 1,1-dimethyl cyclohexane. Right? 2-ethoxy 1,1-dimethyl cyclohexane. 2-ethoxy 1,1-dimethyl cyclohexane. This is your fourth option. Right? According to rule, ethoxy get priority. Ethoxy get priority. Right? Okay. Move to next. Which Grignard reagent gives 2-methyl propane 1-ol with reaction of methanol? Wow. Again, good question from organic chemistry. Methanol. Okay, now tell me what is methanol? मिथेनॉल मतलब formaldehyde. मिथेनॉल मतलब formaldehyde. This is your methanol. Okay, and what is product? 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Okay, 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Then which GR must be used? Okay, according to my view, third must be there, right? Okay, C, CH, CH3, CH3, MgBr. Okay, no, you know that this one magnesium is partial positive and this carbon is partial negative. Okay, and again here carbonyl carbon, so carbon is partial positive and this oxygen is negative. This Gr attacks on this carbon and this bond will open and you will get C, CH3, CH3. One hydrogen is there and it will react with CH2. OH. Now do IUPAC of this compound. Functional group priority. So 1, 2, and 3. Right. So the question is 2-methyl. Yes. On second position 2-methyl. Propane 1-ol. 3 carbons. मतलब propane. Right. So your correct option is third. Clear? Done? Okay. Move to next. Which compound having maximum pKa value? Wow. pKa value. pKa value. pKa is inversely proportional to acidic strength. pKa value is inversely proportional to acidic strength. Okay. So maximum value. Okay. So question is asked about weak acid because here mentioned that which compound maximum value of pKa. Maximum value of pKa matlab acidic strength must be minimum, right? So here metanitro, orthonitro. Question is so easy. All NO2 groups are electron withdrawing groups. All NO2 group are electron withdrawing groups. Matlab electron in presence of electron withdrawing group, acid become stronger. Right? In presence of electron withdrawing group, acid becomes stronger and pKa value should be lower. Right? So your answer is first because there is no EWG. This is your plain phenol, right? There is no EWG. And in case of second, third, and fourth, we have electron withdrawing group. So they are good acid, right? But our question maximum value of pK. Maximum value of pK. Matlab our acid must be weak, right? So this is your correct option. Right? In presence of electron withdrawing group, acidic strength will increases. Right? Okay. Which is network solid from following? Simple question from NCERT, right? Okay. Covalent or network solid, right? Covalent and network solid. Silicon carbide. Silicon carbide is network solid, right? So in case of this question, your answer is silicon carbide. Your answer is silicon carbide. Done? Okay. Move to next. Which of the following aqueous solution should have maximum boiling point? Okay. Now simple. Boiling point is directly proportional to number of ions. Number of ions. Boiling point is directly proportional to number of ions. Okay. Because all have same concentration. All solutions have same concentration. Now, if FeCl3 is dissociated, then it is dissociated in 4 ions, it is dissociated in 2 ions, and H2SO4 is dissociated in 2 ions. But urea is completely covalent, it dissociates in 0 ions according to your question of minimum boiling point. So, your correct option is 0.1 molar urea. 0.1 molar urea, right? This relation you must know. Right? Boiling point is directly proportional to number of ions. Okay, if question about maximum boiling point, then what should be your answer? 0.1 molar FeCl3, maximum boiling point. For maximum boiling point, your answer should be 0.1 molar FeCl3. Okay, move to next question. Which method is used for remove salt from seawater? Okay, simple question from NCERT. Reverse osmosis. RO. હરેકના ઘરે આરઓ સિસ્ટમ છે ને for purification of water, right? So reverse osmosis मतलब RO, right? Next, which metal are purified by vapor phase refining? Okay, vapor phase refining. So your answer should be nickel and zirconium. Why nickel? For purification of nickel. Pure purification of nickel. Mode carbonyl process. Mode carbonyl process. For purification of zirconium, 1-arcal process. 1-arcal process, right? So simple question. So your answer is first. Okay, these two methods from vapor phase refining. Then okay, move to next question. Copper matte is mixture of which substances? Simple question, yaar. From metallurgy, CO2S and FeS, the mixture of CO2 and FeS is known as copper matte. Then, okay, move to next. Very pure dinitrogen gas can be obtained by thermal decomposition of which substance? Okay, again question from NCERT, and this question belongs from P block element. This question belongs from P block element, and your answer must be sodium azide. Yes, sodium azide. NaN3. NaN3 is sodium azide. If you heat this compound, you will get sodium metal and dinitrogen gas, right? And this dinitrogen is almost 100% pure. Okay, and one more method is barium azide. BaN3 twice, right? This is your barium azide. If you heat this compound, you will get again highly purified dinitrogen gas, right? Now, one more question. What is azide? And what is the structure of azide? Azide means N3 minus. N3 minus, right? Sorry, my mistake. N3 minus, right? And structure of azide look like nitrogen, double bond nitrogen, negative charge, and positive charge. This is your structure of azide. This is your structure of done. Okay, so by heating of azide, you will get almost 100% pure dye. Okay. Next, which halogen element gives Hallus acidic type of oxo acid? Hallus acid. Okay. Now, again question from P block. You can see here only chlorine give Hallus type of acid, right? So your correct option is Cl. No other halogen gives Hallous acid. Only chlorine gives Hallous acid. Then, okay, move to next question. Which is used for manufacture of steel? Okay. Again, question of P block. Question from P block and from dioxygen. This question is belong from dioxygen, right? Here you can see that in the manufacture of many metals, particularly steel, use of dioxygen is to manufacture of steel. So your correct option is second, O2, right? Correct option is O2, dioxide. Then simple from NCERT. Okay, move to next question. If atomic number of element is 26, then magnetic moment is dash Bohr magneton of its divalent aqueous. Okay, divalent aqueous ion. Divalent. Okay, 26. Atomic number 26. Yes, if we have atomic number 26 and divalent, that means Fe2 plus, and electronic configuration is argon 4s0 3d6, right? And 3d6 look like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Now you know that magnetic moment mu is equals to under root n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton, and n is number of n-paired electron. You can see here there are total 4 number of electrons. Put value of n 4, 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2 6, 6 4s are 24, right? And 20 under root 24 you will get near about 4 and 5. Okay, done. So your answer should be first 4.0 Bohr magneton. 4.90 Bohr magneton. Done. Okay, move to next question. Which product is obtained during reaction of MnO4 minus with I minus faintly alkaline condition? Okay. MnO4 is strong oxidizing agent and it is convert I minus into IO3 minus, and this is your iodate ion. Iodate ion. This is your iodate ion. IO3 minus. Right? So simple question from D and F block. Right? Which is not act as a ligand. You know that carbonyl is strong ligand. This one is also ligand. Nitrosonium is also ligand. But NH4 plus have no lone pair. Have no lone pair. Right? So NH4 cannot behave as ligand. Right? NH4 plus cannot behave as ligand. Okay. Move to next question. Which is the correct formula for pentaamine carbonato cobalt 3 chloride? Okay, pentaamine carbonato cobalt 3 chloride. Okay, cobalt pentaamine NH3 5 times, carbonato CO3 1 times, and chloride, and oxidation state of cobalt is plus 3. Here CO3 is 2 minus and Cl is minus 1. Okay, so then this is your final answer, and your answer is fourth. Yes, your answer is fourth. Then this is your final answer. Then okay, move to next. Which type of isomerism in this isomer? Okay, simple. SO4 and Br can be interchanged with each other, right? Because both are behave as ligand as well as ions. Br and SO4 can behave as ligand as well as ions, right? So these two are ionization isomers. These two are ionization isomers, right? In ionization isomers, different ions are produced. Different ions are produced. In case of first, Br minus will produce, and in case of second, SO4 2 minus will produce. Done? Okay. Move to next question. CH3, CH double bond, CH3, CL, CH3 twice. Which type of halide based on position of Cl? Okay. CH3, CH double bond is CH. C, Cl, CH3 twice. Okay. Now you can see here, this carbon is sp2, again this carbon is sp2, this carbon is sp3, and this chlorine is attached with sp3 carbon, and this one is allylic position. Allylic position, right? So this is your allylic halide, allylic chloride. So your answer is 4. Done? Okay. What is A in following reaction? What is A in following reaction? Okay. If you react with HCl, then secondary carbocation is more stable, then you will get CH2, CH, CH3Cl. Right? This is your correct answer. And which option have our answer? Okay. Fourth answer is correct. Right? Fourth answer is correct. Next. Which reagent is used to convert ethyl alcohol to propanol? Wow, good question. Really good question. Propanol. What is the structure of propanol? CH2 double bond CH, C double bond OH. This is your propanol, right? Okay. Wait. Which allyl alcohol? Okay, allyl alcohol मतलब C OH is attached with sp2 carbon. Here you have this. Okay, done. Now do reaction with pyridinium chlorochrome. Okay, simple question about allyl alcohol. Right? Question about allyl alcohol. If you use pyridinium chlorochromate, and this is mild oxidizing agent. Pyridinium chlorochromate is mild oxidizing agent, and you will get finally CH2 double bond CH, C double bond OH, and this is the structure of propanol. This is the structure of propanol. Right? So your answer is first. Yeah? Which product are obtained during electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride? Okay. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride have NaCl aqueous have Na plus ion, Cl minus ion, H plus ion and OH minus ion. So in process of electrolysis, you have two electrodes, anode and cathode. On anode, oxidation reaction will take place, and on cathode, reduction reaction will take place. Right? On anode, Cl minus will oxidize. So 2 Cl minus gives Cl2 gas with 2 electron, and on cathode 2H plus giving 2 electron and dihydrogen gas. Right? So as the product, you will get Cl2 gas, you will get dihydrogen gas, two unreacted ions, that is Na plus and OH minus, they are combined with each other and form NaOH. This is your first product. This is your Cl2 is second product, and third product is dihydrogen. This is your third product. So NaOH, Cl2 and dihydrogen, NaOH, Cl2 and dihydrogen. Second is correct answer. Done? Move to next. Okay, so 2021 is over, right? Okay, after 10 minutes, 10 minute no break છે, right? પાછા રેડી રહેજો, બુક એન્ડ પેન લઈને આપણે 2022 નું પેપર છે એ સોલ્વ કરશું. 2022, right? Okay. Okay, hello. Okay, sir. Done? Okay. So friends, we are going to solve GUJCET 2022. Right? Okay. Then our first question, which colloidal salt result when highly diluted solution of AgNO3 is added to highly dilute Ki solution? Okay. So you have solution of Ki. You have solution of Ki, right? And in this solution, you are AgNO3, right? AgNO3. Now you know that AgNO3 and Ki, it will react and form AgI and KNO3, right? And on the particle of AgI, on the particle of AgI, I minus ions, that is comes from Ki. These I minus ions are adsorbed on the surface of AgI, right? And this particle become negatively charged. Clear, right? So your correct option is fourth. Done? Okay. Move to next question. Okay. Simple question from NCERT. Match the type of colloidal system given in column 1 with the name given in column 2. Okay. Chapter number 5, surface chemistry. Directly question from NCERT, right? Okay, so here you have 3, 3 and 2, 6 and 8. You have total 8 type of colloidal solution, right? And this is its examples. Then solve this question by using this table and you will get first answer, right? This is your correct answer. Simple. Okay, move to next question. In which colloid both lyophobic and lyophilic parts are present? Okay, lyophobic and lyophilic parts are present. C. This is sodium stearate, right? This part is completely lyophobic, and this part is completely lyophilic. You can say hydrophobic and hydrophilic, right? In sodium stearate, this head is hydrophilic and tail is hydrophobic, right? This will happen in only missile, right? Okay, then move to next question. Which method is not proper obtain metal of highly purity from impure metal? Okay. Okay, in case of chromatography, you will get pure metal. Liquefaction, you will get pure metal. Distillation, you will get pure metal. But in case of leaching, right? Because leaching is become from concentration of ore. Concentration of ore, right? And in concentration of ore, you cannot get pure metal. You cannot get pure metal in case of concentration of ore, and leaching process is belong from concentration. Then next, which is known as copper matte. Repeated question from 2021. Right? Again, answer is simple. Mixture of Cu2s and FeS is known as copper matte. Right? Cu2s and FeS is known as copper matte. Move to next question. Which products are obtained by reaction of hot and concentrated NaOH with dichlorine? Okay, good question. And this question belongs from chapter number 7, P block. Okay, if you react NaOH and Cl2, but NaOH is hot and concentration, hot and concentrated, right? Then you will get NaCl, H2O and NaClO3. NaCl, H2O and NaClO3. Okay, so your correct answer is third. Your correct answer is third. Okay, move to next question. Hybridization of XeF2 and XeF4 respectively. Okay. Structure of XeF2. This is the structure of XeF2, right? And hybridization in XeF2 is sp3d. And structure of XeF4. Shape of XeF4 is square planar and shape of XeF2 is linear, and hybridization is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hybridization is sp3d2, right? Hybridization is sp3d2. So your correct option is sp3d and sp3d2 set, right? This is your correct answer. Then, okay, move to next question. Okay. Which is the correct option from moles and then number in pyrophosphoric acid? Okay, you know the structure of pyrophosphoric acid, friends. Pyro, pyro word, pyro word is related with heating. Pyro word is related with heat, right? So you know that if heat is provided to any system, then dehydration reaction is takes place. Dehydration reaction is takes place, right? So structure of phosphoric acid. We are taking here 2 moles of phosphoric acid, and by heating we release 1 molecule of H2, right? And you will get phosphorus, double bond O, OH, OH, O, P, double bond O, OH and OH. This is your pyrophosphoric acid. And what is question? Which is correct? Okay. Here we have 4 POH bond, 2 P double bond O, okay, and 1 POP bond, 1 POP bond. Then what should be your answer? 4 POH, 2 P double bond. Okay, okay, okay. Your answer is fourth. Your answer is fourth. 4 POH, 2 P double bond O, and 1 POP linkage, right? This one is POP linkage. Done? Okay. POP linkage is looking like glycosidic bond. Name of the transition element which does not exhibit variable oxidation state. Okay, variable oxidation state. Friends, this is your correct option plus 3. Very easy question. Okay. Now, according to your doubt, zinc have plus 2 oxidation state and that is fixed. But my dear friends, zinc is not a transition element. Zinc is not a transition element, but question about transition element. So your correct option is third. Scandium have only +3 oxidation state, right? Whereas chromium have variable oxidation state, zinc have +2 fixed oxidation state, but zinc does not belong from transition element because zinc have 3d10 4s2 fully filled electronic configuration. Right? Okay. Move to next. Which statement is incorrect from the following? Okay. Good question. CRO is basic, but Cr2O3 is important. This is completely from NCERT. So first statement is correct. Cadmium is not considered as transition element. Yes, this statement is also correct because zinc, cadmium, and mercury, these three elements have fully filled NH2 N-1 D10 fully filled configuration. Right? So these three elements are not a transition element. Okay. Atomic size of element of 4D series is greater than corresponding element of 3D series. Yes, this is also correct. And rest option is fourth, right? So this your final answer. But what is explanation for this fourth option? Atomic size of elements of 5D series is greater than corresponding 4D series. Yes, this is absolutely wrong. Why? See, this is atomic radius, this is atomic number Z, largest size is 5D, 4D and 3D. Now, due to lengthened contraction, 5D and 4D element have almost same atomic radius. Same atomic radius. Right? Due to lengthened contraction. Then, okay, but according to this option, atomic sizes of element of 5D series is greater than corresponding 4D. 4D and 5D have almost same atomic radius. So your correct option is 4. Then move to next question. Okay, how many number of geometrical isomers will have? Okay, you have one complex compound, right? So you have metal A, B, C, D type compound. A, B, C, D type compound. Okay, now trick for decide total number of geometrical isomerism. Trick for decide total number of geometrical isomerism. Do brackets ABCD, form brackets ABCD, ADCB and ACBD. Okay. Now, any other brackets can be formed? No. You have total 3 brackets. So, total number of geometrical isomers is 3. Right? So, your correct option is right. Okay. Now, move to next question. Which of the following ligand is ambidentate? Okay. Question about ambidentate ligand. Okay, no problem. Now, NO3 is not an ambidentate ligand. NO2 minus, yes, this one is ambidentate, this one is ambidentate, this one. Okay, so QRNS, these three ligands are ambidentate. QRNS, okay. There is no option QRNS, but R and S, both are indented. P and Q, yes, this is wrong. Q and S, yes, both are indented. Q and R, both are indented. Okay, multiple correct options are there, right? Okay, so your answer will be first, third, and fourth, right? Okay. नहीं, याद नहीं. Okay, okay. Okay, I am again repeating, rate of reaction to reaction is directly proportional to less steric carbon, right? So in fourth case, this carbon is the least steric, right? Least steric. So SN2 become faster in fourth option, right? Okay, due to technical issue, we are repeating again. Previous question. For solving this question, right? This is the structure of DDT, and if you calculate total number of sigma and pi bond, then your correct option is second, 29 and 6. Then, okay. Next question. From the following reaction, which reaction does not give benzene? Okay, good question. does not give benzene. This one is decarboxylation of carboxylic acid, right? From this reaction you will get benzene. Benzene diazonium salt, you will get again benzene. And this question from chapter 11, you will get again benzene, right? But C6H5OH and H2CrO4. Okay. In this reaction, you will get this phenol, right? So your fourth option is correct because question does not give benzene, right? In these three reactions, your product is benzene, benzene, and benzene. But in fourth case, product is not a benzene, right? Move to next. Which product is obtained from following reaction? Which product is obtained from following reaction? Now, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is the mild reducing agent. Mild reducing agent, right? Uh, Here you can see you have ester group, ether, ester, ketone, alcohol, ketone, and ether. Right? These type of functional group are present. No doubt, NaBH4 can reduce ketone, right? But it cannot reduce ester. It cannot reduce ester, right? So your correct answer will be, you will get OH, CH2, C double bond O, OCH3. It cannot reduce ester. So your correct answer is yes, third. Your correct answer is third. This is your correct answer. Then, okay. Move to next question. Which method is used to prepare salicylic acid? Simple question from NCERT. Simple question. Salicylic acid. If you react phenol with CO2 and acidic water, then you will get salicylic acid. This is your salicylic acid and Kolbe reaction. This one is Kolbe's reaction, right? Kolbe's reaction. So your correct option is 7. Done? Okay. Which of the following compound does not give iodoform by reaction of sodium hypoiodide? Okay. Iodoform, iodoform. Iodoform test. What is the condition for iodoform test? Your alpha group must be CH3. Your alpha group must be CH3. Yes, it can give iodoform if this OH is oxidized and converted to ketone. Or second, can give iodoform. Yes, here CH3 is also present. This can give iodoform, but this one is your C double bond O. Here CH2 is present on left hand side and right hand side is also CH2 is present. So your fourth option cannot give iodoform test. So your correct option is 4. Then okay, move to next. What will be the main product in the following reaction? Okay. OH minus and heating. Question from aldol condensation. Okay, no problem. Your product should be benzene C double bond O and CH3 is removed in the form of water. So you will get double bond here, CH and C double bond O. This is your answer. This is your answer. 2 hydrogen is removed from here and 1 oxygen is removed from here. So by removing of H2O, you will get this product, right? And your correct option is the second. Yes, your correct option is second. Then this is your correct. Then which of the incorrect order of increasing acidic strength of the following? Okay, increasing acidic strength of following. Okay, now see guys, this is formic acid and this is your benzoic acid, right? Now, formic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. See, you must remember FBA. FBA. What is F? Formic acid. B stand for benzoic acid and A stand for acetic acid. Formic acid, benzoic acid and acetic acid. Strongest acid is formic acid, next benzoic acid and least acidic is acetic acid. But according to question in count order, right, you can see here benzoic acid is less acidic than formic acid. Here according to question, benzoic acid is more acidic and that is wrong and your correct option is 4. Done? Okay. Move to next. How many number of moles ions produced from aqueous solution of 1 mole iron 3 hexacyanide 2 complex? Okay. 1 mole of iron 3 Fe hexacyanide मतलब again Fe hexacyanide CN 6 time and oxidation state of this ion is +3. So this is your +3 and 4. Okay. This is your complex. Okay. Now see guys, 4 Fe3 plus are reduced and 3 FeCN6 minus are reduced. So total number of ions 4 and 3, total number of ions is 7. So your option is 2. Right? Okay, move to next question. How many number of isomers compound having molecular formula C3H9? Okay, simple question from my mind. C3H9N, CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. Okay, this is your first CH3, C, CH3, CH3. Okay, wait. CH, NH2. 1, 2, 3 carbon. CH3, CH3. This is your CH3, right? This one is your second CH3N, CH2, CH3. And here H, right? This is your fourth. Okay, so total number of isomer is 4. Done? Okay. Now wait 1 minute. Okay, move to next question. From which of the following reaction primary amine is produced? Okay, primary amine is produced. Reduction of nitrile. Yes. By reduction of nitrile, C triple bond N, you will get primary amine. Second, reduction of amide. Yes. By reduction of amide, you know that you will get primary amine. Hoffman bromoid. Yes. Third option give again primary amine. So all reactions give primary amine. So fourth is your simple question. Identify the compound in C from the following reaction. Okay. First, CH3COOH. If CH3COOH is react with ammonia, then you will get CH3C double bond O NH2 amide. Right? So your A product is amide. It is further react with Bi2NaOH. Now tell me friends, for which reaction Bi2OH NaOH is given? Yes, this reaction is Hoffman bromamide degradation. Right, so you will get again CH3 NH2. So your B product is CH3 NH2 and B is further react with NaNO2 with HCl. Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction. And in case of Sand-Meyer reaction, product is diazonium salt N2 plus Cl minus. Here, aqueous solution of HCl must be taken and after by hydrolysis you will get CH3OH. So final answer is the methanol. So your correct option is third. Done. Okay. Combination from carboxylic acid, amide, and diazonium salt. Right. Good question. Move to next question. Select proper statement from the following true and false statement. Pentose sugar plus base, nucleotide. No, this is wrong. Your answer should be nucleoside. Nucleotide plus phosphate. Okay, nucleotide. DNA contain 4 bases, AGCT, yes, this is correct. RNA contain AGC, yes, this is correct. So false, false, true, true, false, false, true, true. Your correct option is third. Okay, move to next question. Which glycosidic linkage occurs in amylopectin? Yes, amylopectin. Question from chapter 14 biomolecules. Right? You can see here in case of amylopectin, this is your first carbon. This is your second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Glycosidic bond is formed between C1 and C4. And here also glycosidic bond is present. This is your first carbon again. And this is your first carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth. And this is your sixth carbon. And glycosidic bond is formed between C1 and C6. So your answer is C1, C4, C1, C4 and C1, C6. C1, C6. C6. Right? C1, C4 and C1, C6. C1, C4 and C1, C6. Okay. Your answer is second. Right? Okay. Move to next. Which polymer is used in manufacture of paints and lacquers? Okay, completely theoretical question, no logic behind it. Your answer is glyptol, right? Okay. Move to next question. Which of the following polymer is not obtained by the condensation polymerization? Dacron. Question from polymer. Dacron is condensation polymer. Nylon to nylon 6 is also condensation polymer. Nylon 6 is condensation polymer, but polyacrylonitrile PAN polyacrylonitrile is not a condensation polymer because structure of acrylonitrile is CH2 double bond CHCN is acrylonitrile. By polymerization reaction, you will get CH2 CHCN n times, right? This is your part, polyacrylonitrile. Done? So this is not a condensation polymer. Polyacrylonitrile is addition polymer. Done? Move to next question. Which of the following drugs is used for treatment of acidity? Again, completely theoretical question. Your answer is ranitidine. Right? Ranitidine is used for treatment of acidity. Right? And next question. Okay. Which artificial sweetener is suitable at cooking temperature? Okay. Again, simple question. Aspartame. Aspartame. Aspartame is your answer. Right? What is question? Artificial sweetener unstable at cooking temperature. So your answer is aspartame. Right? Okay. Move to next question. Again, repeat question. Repeat from 2021. Right? So your answer is 4r by root 3, 2 root 2 and 2r. So fourth is your correct option. Move to next. Okay. Atoms of element and from HCP lattice and those of the element M occupy one third of tetrahedral weight. What will be the formula compound by the M and N? Okay, according to question, we have two types of element, M and N. N forms HCP lattice. Okay. Now, suppose total number of N, so effective atoms of N is equals to X. So total number of tetrahedral holes is equals to 2x. Okay. And N elements occupy one third of tetrahedral. We have 2x tetrahedral and one third. So into 1 by 3. So 2 by 3, 1. X cut. So you will get 2 and 3. If we multiply by 3 and by 3, so you will get 2 and 3. So your correct option is M2 and 3. M2 and 3, M2 and 3, M2 and 3. Yes, the correct option is done. ક્યારનું આવું થાય? ઉભા રહો. Right? Now ready? Okay.
Question. 73,356.
Okay. We will repeat again. Okay. This is repeated from 2021, right? Okay. So your answer is K by 2.303. Okay. Which substance is used as oxidizing agent? Now you can see nickel is +3 and here +2. So reduction reaction is taking place and reducing agent. Here nickel get reduced, so NiOH thrice is oxidizing agent. So your correct option is first. Done. Simple question from NCERT. Next, which is proper value for X to following increase cell potential? Now, you know Nernst equation E cell is equals to E naught cell plus 0.059 by n log cathode by anode. Cathode by anode मतलब Cu2 plus by Zn2 plus. Now you can see here concentration of Cu2 plus is 0.02. And what should I do to increase this value? According to question, we want to increase the cell potential. Then what should I do? 0.02, and here we must put value less than 0.02. Here we have 0.02, we must put here value less than 0.02. So our correct option is set. Done? Okay. How much electricity in terms of Faraday is required to reduction of 2 moles of Cr2O7 to Cr3 plus in acidic medium? Now friends, you know that Cr2O7 2 minus plus 6 electron in acidic medium, you will get 2 Cr plus 3 and H2 and H2, right? Okay. If we multiply by 2 in entire equation, because question is asked about 2 mole Cr2O7, so 6 into 2, you will get 12 Faraday. You will get 12 Faraday. So your correct option is first. What is the value of want or factor I when 80% CaCl2 is dissociated? CaCl2 is Ca2 plus and 2Cl minus. Initial concentration is 1 molar at time t is equals to 0. After some time t is equals to t dash 1 minus alpha, alpha 2 alpha. So I is equals to 1 minus alpha plus 2 alpha by 1 according to formula of want of. Alpha alpha cut, you will get 1 plus 2 alpha and I is equals to 1 plus. Here alpha is given 80%. So value of alpha is 80 by 100 is equals to 0.8, right? So 2 into 0.8 is 1.6, 2.6 is your answer. So your nearest answer is 2.6. Okay. Value of Henry's constant kh. Friends, kh is increases with temperature, because if temperature is increases, solubility is decreases. Kh is increases, solubility is decreases, right? Then kh and temperature is directly proportional. So kh is proportional to T, right? So increase with increase in temperature. So your correct option is third. This one. What is the value of want of factor when 80% dissociate? Yes. CaCl2 is dissociate in Ca2 plus 2Cl minus 100. If initial concentration is 1 molar, then Ca2 plus and 2Cl minus is 0. After some time, 1 minus alpha, CaCl2 is dissociate in Ca2 plus and 2Cl minus. So if dissociation constant is alpha, then 1 minus alpha Ca2 plus produced will alpha and 2Cl minus is produced is equals to 2 alpha. So I is equals to 1 minus alpha plus 2 alpha divided by 1. Alpha cut, you will get 2 alpha, and alpha is given 80%, right? So alpha is equals to 80 by 100, and you will get 0.8. So 1 plus 2 into 0.8, you will get 2.6. Your correct answer is 2.7. Done? Okay. Calculate the mole fraction of aqueous solution of 1 molar urea. Okay. Now friends, you must know the meaning of molality. What is the meaning of molality? Molality means 1 mole of urea present in 1000 gram of water. 1000 gram of water, right? Now we have to find out mole fraction of urea. So mole fraction of urea is equals to mole of urea upon mole of urea plus mole of water, right? If you put these three value, you will get x is equals to 0.0176. So second is your correct answer. Then friends, move to next question. Okay, now regular. Okay. A reaction is first order with respect to a reactant A and second order with respect to a reactant B. What is the effect rate? When concentration of both A and B increased by double. Increased by double. Okay. Rate is equals to K into A and B. Now, order of A and first order with respect to A and second order with respect to B. First order with respect to and second order with respect to B. So, K, if concentration is 2N and 2B raised to 2, you will get 2 and 4 2s are K concentration of A into B square. So A into K into A B square, right? So rate becomes, this is your rate. Rate become 8 times. So your correct option is 1. Right? This is your correct answer. Okay. So 2022 paper is complete here. Best of luck student for your GUJCET 2023 exam, right? Thank you.